It's a collection of a contemporary collection of votive boats. Votive boats were things whereby if you're a sailor and you had survived a difficult life at sea, you donate a boat to the church and it was suspended in the church. But these things are wrecked. They're like detritus of history. But they're meticulously wrecked. They become like miniatures, these particular pieces. You know, imagining boats wrecked and rotting going up the river long past their sell-by date. And I started getting into the idea of patchwork sails which are blown apart, sails which are put together like out of bits and pieces and end up looking maybe a bit quilty, but hopefully not too quilty, you know. So like really, so they're a bit knackered. When you get close up to them, the standard phrase in the studio is like, "Come up, dirty this down. This is too clean," you know. But not so much. Ah, right, that's it. Right level of dirt, you know. And it's then green dirt or brown dirt. I become an expert on dirt, to be honest. So the boats there are many things. They're fishing boats. They're boats referring to at the time the Somali pirate thing going on, which was quite a big deal. And it's all about rescue at sea. It's about refugees. It's about many different things. It's about, I also complex ideas about colonialism, power. Apocalypse Now features quite strong in this imagery. It's a running thing, not just the film, but the idea of the film, the making of the film, the craziness of all that, and things just falling apart, I suppose.
Yeah, let me go home. Baby, I feel alone now. Let me go home.